Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my dear students. Unit 8, Lesson 4, Students Book, page 63 and 64. Speaking. Opener. Name some tips to be fit and healthy. Drink a lot of water. Play some sports. Now, my dear students, let's move to our students' book. Open your students' book, page 63. Exercise number 1. Read the problems below and discuss possible solutions. Compare your solution with your classmates. Do you agree or disagree with their ideas? Here, my dear students, there are 3 texts. Read them carefully. Take your time and read. Then try to find the solution and say your opinion. Are you agree or disagree? After you have read your solutions. Now, open your book, page 64, exercise number 2. Complete the following table. Now, my dear students, our lesson today is about speaking. Now it's speaking time. Discuss possible solutions for each problem. The first problem is, what are the best solutions for overweight? Dear Dr. Salim, my personal doctor says I am overweight and that I should lose at least 10 to 15 kilograms. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of free time. After getting back from work, I usually help my kids with their homework for 2 hours. Then I have dinner and relax a little and I read a book before going to bed. Could you please give me some advice about which exercise is best to me to lose weight? Yours faithfully, Ahmed. Now, problem number 2. What are the best solutions for spending long time on chatting online? Dear Dr. Salim, our 15-year-old daughter doesn't play any kind of team sports at school. She believes that playing sports is a waste of time if you aren't the best and you don't always get the first place. She says that winning is the most important thing about playing sports. Instead of exercising, she spends most of her time chatting online. Her mother would really like to see her make more friends and become more active. Yours faithfully, Fatma. Problem number 3. What are the best solutions for pushing extreme limits? Dear Dr. Salim, how much exercise is too much exercise? My son exercises almost every day. He practices boxing for an hour, then goes swimming for an hour and a half, and does judo every other day. That's between 10 and 16 hours every week. He has a lot of energy and looks generally healthy, but I am worried that he might push himself to extreme limits. Too much exercise may be dangerous for him. What do you think? Best regards, Mariam. Now in exercise number 2, complete the following table. After we have read about the problems and solutions, we are going to know about Ahmed problems and solution, Fatma and Mariam. Let's start with Ahmed. The problem of Ahmed is he is overweight. His own solution, playing sports. His friend's solution, eating healthy food. Fatma, her daughter spends her time online. This is the problem. Her own solution, make friends and become active. Her friend's solution, playing team sports. Now what is the problem of Mariam? Her son is exercising too much. What is her own solution? Exercising twice a week. Her friend's solution, go running every day. Now, my dear students, let's move to another part of our lesson today. It's grammar, countable and uncountable nouns. We are going to explain what's the difference between them and using examples to illustrate them correctly. Countable noun can be counted. An apple, a school, one picture, two picture. They can take singular or plural verbs. There is a book on the table. Those houses are very big, aren't they? But uncountable noun cannot be counted. Sugar, information, water, understanding. Uncountable noun always take singular verbs. There is some water in that pitcher. Countable nouns have a singular and plural form. An apple, two apples. A peach, two peaches. Uncountable nouns don't usually have a plural form. For example, bread, beef, butter, coffee, water, milk, sugar. Now let's move to another part of grammar today, some and any. You usually use some in affirmative sentences. I'd like some peaches and some milk. We haven't got any butter. Are there any eggs? We use some and any with plural nouns. We use some in positive statements. We need some tomatoes. Any. We use any in negative statements and questions. We don't need any tomatoes. Do we need any tomatoes? Now, after we have explained, check your understanding. Now we have an exercise to check our understanding. Number A. Are these things countable or uncountable? Write C for countable or U for uncountable noun. Let's start with the first one. Egg. Who can say? We put C as a countable noun or U as uncountable noun. Yes, that's right. It's a countable noun. Money. Yes, that's right. It's uncountable noun. Orange. That's right. It's a countable noun. Juice. That's right. It's uncountable noun. Apple. That's right. It's a countable noun. Sugar. Who can say? I listen to you. Yes, who can say sugar? Countable or uncountable noun, my dear students? That's right, it's uncountable noun. You say it right. Potato. Countable or uncountable noun? Yes, it's a countable noun. Butter. Yes, who can say? That's right, uncountable noun. Rice. Countable or uncountable nouns? Yes, who can say? I listen to you. That's right, it's an uncountable noun. Strawberry. That's right, it's a countable noun. Cheese. Yes, who can say the last one? Cheese, countable or uncountable noun? Yes, that's right, it's uncountable noun. Number B. Complete these sentences with a and some or any. Number 1. Have you got space oranges? Yes, who can say the right answer? That's right. The sentence is a question sentence, so we use any in negative and the questions. That's right. Number 2, I'd like tea, please. The answer is yes, that's right. I'd like some tea, please. Number 3, I don't have money with me. I don't have. Look at the sentence carefully. I think the sentence is in a negative form, so we use that's right any. I'd like to have apple and banana. That's right. I'd like to have an apple. We use an with the noun that starts with a vowel. And a banana. Yes, we use a with the nouns that started with the consonant letter. At the end of our lesson today, my dear students, I hope that you have understood well. We bid you farewell at the end of each lesson. We wish you good times, all happiness and fun. See you well. Thank you.